Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn to see the time on the clock. Firstly, I will tell you types of clocks. There are two types of clock: analog clock, digital clock. First, I will tell you about the analog clock. There are 1 to 12 numbers in analog clock, two hands in analog clock, and the dashes lines. The dashes line denote the minutes. The big hand of analog clock is the minute hand. The small hand of analog clock is the hour hand. The hand that is moving at the fastest speed is the second hand. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. 24 hours make 1 day. 7 days make 1 week. 30 days make 1 month. 12 months make 1 year. In the dashes lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The time between 12 and 1 is 5 minutes. And there are 5 dashes lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 minutes. When the big hand of clock move from 12 to 1, it makes 5 minutes. When 1 to 2, there are 5 dash lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It makes 10 minutes. Students, look at this. When minute hand move at 3, make 15 minutes. When it reach 4, make 20 minutes, 25 minutes. When it reach at 6, on a 6 number, then the time tell us 30 minutes or half past. Look at this. It's a half past 4. Our hand in between 4 and 5. 4 and 5, it denotes time is half past 4. Now the turn is digital clock. In digital clock, time is in numbers. In digital clock, on the left side, the number denote hours. The numbers on the left side tell us minutes, and in the center they are the columns. When times move forward, the time is 4:30. It shows us 4 hours 30 minutes. The time is 4:30. 4 denote hours and 30 denotes minute. In digital clock, we can see the times in numbers. 4 hours 10 minutes. The time is 4:30. In analog clock, the time is 4:30. We can say half past 4. This time is 5 o'clock. 5 hours. O'clock, it means 60 minutes completed, 1 hour completed. This time is 2 o'clock. 8:30. Half past 8. Students, I hope you will understand the types of clock and what is clock, how can we see time in a clock, in a analog clock and in a digital clock. So goodbye. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.